my 4-year-old first time experiencing snow. King, go ahead. Get some. What you say? Come on, hold. Let him know. Cause I just pulled over so I can put him in the front. I gotta put him back in your car seat. All right. Don't worry, we're not gonna drive. We're doing everything legal, guys. I just want him to see experience. Go ahead, get it. Get it. What, you trying to throw snow at me? You trying to throw snow at me? Hey, guys, hey, Mama, you sleeping? I just pulled you up in front. Are you sleeping already? All right, come on. Both of you guys get in the back before we go anywhere. Look. Say hi. All right, go ahead. Look at this. I just wanted you to tap the snow. Go ahead. Tap the snow. Why are you beating me up? Mm-hmm. All right, here. All right, get some of that snow. Get some of it. Go ahead. It's snowing in Connecticut. I don't know if you know. This is Sober Living. Welcome to the snowstorm. First snowstorm of the city of the 2024. I got my 4-year-old, and he's not having it. He loves it. You having fun? All right, both of y'all gotta get in the back now. All right, let me get y'all in the back. I'm in the parking lot, so I'm pulled over. So at the end of the day. All right, you ready? All right. Come on, back to your car seats. You like that?
Baby.
See that? You
You
like that? Drink it. Say hi. Say, yeah. You love Nipsey Hussle. You love Nipsey Hussle. Say, yeah, y'all was riding around with the backs in the middle. Yeah. Say, yeah.
Yeah. Baba,
He don't need to talk. I love you. All right, get some of that snow. You got some? All right, guys. We just wanted to show you how it is when you're sober. No drinking, no smoking. It's 2024. We having a good time. We just enjoying life. So many things you can be doing instead of just drinking and drugging. You know what I mean? It's a snowstorm. We having fun. My 4-year-old is loving it. My daughter, she fell asleep in 5 minutes. Wow. All right. Let me pull over. I'm not even driving. Let me pull over. I keep saying it. Hey. All right. Say bye.